Hi, my name is Liz Bowen. I am a realtor and the owner of Red Bow Realty here in beautiful Colorado Springs, Colorado. And in today's blog, what I'd like to talk to you about are your home ownership goals for 2021, whether that's buying, selling, or even staying put. The reference information and a transcript of this video can be found on our company website. Just go to www.redbowrealtyusa.com and click on blog. There's a link at the top of the screen. And I'll also put the link down below this video. You know, the start of a new year always compels people to take a fresh look at their goals, from health and career to relationships and finance. But with historically low mortgage interest rates, increased home sales, home prices on the rise, and a tight housing inventory, the time is right to also make some home ownership resolutions for 2021. Home buyers, is this the year that you work to improve your credit score, pay down some debt, or save for a down payment? And home sellers, we've laid out plans for you to get top dollar for your property, including timing your home sale, making your property stand out from the crowd, and investing in your extra living space. And even if you're staying put for a while, homeowners, you can resolve to improve your status quo by evaluating your home budget, finalizing your home maintenance schedule, or maybe investing in a second property. So no matter what your home ownership status, we've got some ideas and some advice for you to make this year your best one yet. So home buyers, let's start off with a couple of resolutions for you. Resolution number 1, qualifying for a better mortgage with a higher credit score. Now, your credit report highlights your current debt, your bill paying history, and other key financial information. Important for your home buying journey, it's also used by lenders and companies to calculate your credit score, which partially determines if you're qualified to obtain a mortgage. Before you start house hunting, make sure your finances are in the best possible shape by checking your credit report from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion by going to annualcreditreport.com. You can also obtain your credit score for free from some banks and credit card companies. Now, your credit score is going to be a number ranging from 300 to 850. Generally speaking, a credit score of 740 or higher is considered very good to excellent. If your FICO score drops below 740, you might need to work at boosting your score for a few months before you begin house hunting. We recommend paying your bills on time every month, keeping your credit card balances low, and not applying for new credit. Now, resolution number 2 is improving your credit health by paying down debt. Do you have student loans, credit card debt, or car payments that are tying up your income each month? Well, that debt is hurting your buying power or the amount of home that you can afford. Not only is it money that you can't spend on your new home, but your debt to income ratio also affects your credit score. The less debt that you have, the higher your FICO score and the better mortgage you can get. If you can, pay off some debt in its entirety, like a low balance on a credit card. Take the money you used to pay on that bill, add it to the monthly payment that you make on your next highest credit card or loan. Even if you can't pay off all or any of your debt in full, reducing the balances of each account will help you qualify for the best possible mortgage terms. Resolution number 3 is to create a financial safety net before applying for a mortgage. You know, don't forget that buying a home requires some cash. A down payment using an FHA loan is 3.5% of a home's purchase price. And we tell buyers to budget about $6,000 for loan closing costs. You'll also need money for moving expenses and any initial maintenance that might pop up. You know, if the pandemic's taught us anything, it's that you never know when an unforeseen event might cause a job loss, a drop in income, or a health scare. Having some cash on hand will ensure that you can still pay your mortgage if a crisis occurs. So Put some effort into building up your reserves. Cut down on unnecessary expenses and consider having a portion of each paycheck automatically deposited into your savings account to avoid the temptation to spend it. Now, my home sellers, I have some resolutions for you. Resolution number 4 is to decide on the right time to sell your home. If you're looking to maximize profit on the sale of your home, selling earlier in the year makes sense. Listing prices historically increase early in the year. They peak in May, they plateau through June, and then they decrease for the remainder of the year. And according to the National Association of Realtors, with both mortgage rates and the number of homes available for sale expected to remain relatively low, home prices are likely to continue to increase. In mid-January, home prices typically begin a quick ramp up in a normal year. But sales price isn't the only thing to consider. You might not be ready to sell your home yet because you don't want to uproot your kids during the school year, or because you need to tackle some minor upgrades before putting your home on the market. Honestly, there's no 1 month or season that's the perfect time to sell your home. Instead, the right timeline for you takes into account factors like when you'll earn the highest profit, personal convenience, and whether your home is even ready to put on the market. A trusted real estate professional can talk you through your specific needs and clarify when to sell your home. Resolution number 5 is to boost your home's resale value by making your property shine. Housing inventory is at historic lows across the country, and that means the market is fiercely competitive for buyers. Selling your home in 2021 has the potential to net you a huge return, and you can maximize that amount with some simple fixes to make sure your property outshines the neighbors for sale down the street. You might need to upgrade the flooring or add a fresh coat of paint. According to the National Association of Realtors 2019 Remodeling Impact Report, simply refinishing existing hardwood floors recoups 100% of the cost at retail or at resale. And completely replacing it with new wood flooring recovers 106% of the cost. Now, outside, you might consider improving your curb appeal by removing a dead bush or trimming a tree that blocks a front window, or maybe power washing away spider webs from your front patio. In fact, real estate agents say that cleaning the exterior of your house can add $10,000 to $15,000 to a home sales price. And according to a Virginia Tech study, improving a home's landscaping may increase its value by 10 to 12%. A good agent should provide custom tailored suggestions to ensure that your property pops inside and out. Ask us about local insider secrets that'll make your home stand out from others on the market. Resolution number 6 is to invest in your extra living space to meet current buyer needs. More people are staying home to work, to go to school, to exercise, and to stay entertained because of COVID-19. And these lifestyle changes are showing up in home buyer preferences. For example, according to one study, buyers are looking more and more for homes with formal outfitted home offices, private outdoor spaces, and updated kitchen appliances. If you've got an underutilized room, consider turning it into an office, a home gym, a schoolroom, or a multi-purpose room to meet current home buyer needs and attract better offers for your home. You've got some underwhelming space outside. You could turn it into an outdoor entertainment area by adding a fire pit or installing a grilling area. Now be sure to consult with a local real estate professional before investing in a renovation because each market's buyers have different tastes. For my homeowners, resolution number 7 is to evaluate your household budget to reflect financial changes. After this past year, your financial picture may have changed. Maybe you were furloughed, or you had your hours reduced, or you got a new job further from home. Perhaps you've kept the same job, but now you're working remotely. A work from home arrangement could mean less money spent on gas, tolls, a professional wardrobe, or dining out for lunch. But it could also mean new or increased expenses now that you're working at home, such as new tech-related purchases or faster Wi-Fi, higher energy bills. January marks the perfect opportunity to update your income and expenses and review last year's spending habits, tweaking as needed for 2021. For more specific ideas, you can contact us for our free report, 20 Ways to Save Money and Stretch Your Household Budget. Resolution number 8, save money now and earn more later with a home maintenance plan. Having a schedule of regular home maintenance projects to tackle will save you money now and in the long run. You'll avoid some surprise emergency fixes, and when you're ready to eventually sell your home, you'll get higher offers from buyers who aren't put off by overdue repairs. Even if nothing necessarily needs fixing right now, you can lower your energy costs by maintaining and upgrading your home. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, simple fixes add up. Replace 5 most frequently used bulbs with Energy Star ones to save $75 a year. Repair leaky faucets to save $35 a year. Replace older toilets with low-flow models to save $100 a year. And seal air leaks to save $83 to $166 a year. For a breakdown of home maintenance projects to tackle throughout the year, contact us for another one of our free reports called House Care Calendar, a seasonal guide to maintaining your home. Resolution number 9 is investing in real estate for a better standard of living. Even if you don't plan on leaving your current residence, real estate is a great way to improve your quality of life in 2021. Have cabin fever after the long quarantine? A vacation home in a getaway location that you love lets you safely spread your wings. And if you've been looking for a second stream of income, an investment property might be your answer. Just be sure to consult with a local real estate professional for a realistic sense of a property's true income potential. And if you want more information on how a second property fits into your 2021 plans, then ask us about another one of our free reports called Move Up versus Second Home, Which One is Right for You? Let us help you with your 2021 goals. Without a plan and a support system, 55% of Americans will break their New Year's resolutions. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or stay put in your home, it helps to connect with a trusted real estate agent to keep you motivated and on track. As local market experts, we have the knowledge, experience, and networks to help you achieve your home ownership goals, whatever they might be. Reach out to us today for a free consultation and commit to a happy and prosperous new year. My name is Liz Bowen. I am a realtor and the owner of Red Bow Realty, and what's important to you is important to me.